Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soli's Life. Today I'll be showing you the pattern pieces that we'll be working with. First, I have the top front. The top front has 2 bust darts and 2 waist darts. It also has a liner section that's gonna go from the underarm 1 inch below the underarm, the neckline, the armhole, and 1 inch below. So once again, we have the 2 side bust darts, we have the 2 under bust darts, and we also have the liner that goes under the top. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pin the dart line it up and pin it. And you're going to do the same thing on this side. You're also going to do the same thing to the front. So I'm going to pin the darts up, I'm going to stitch them down, then I'm going to stitch the liner for the top, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. And here we have the pattern pieces for the back. It's cut on a single fold. Each piece has 2 patterns. So this one has 2 and this one has 2. It's the front and back, meaning the liner and the top. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stitch the neckline. I'm going to stitch all the way down the closure, and I'm going to stitch the hem. And I'm going to stitch the armhole. So I'm going to knot the shoulders, and the sides of the top is not going to be sewn. On the other section, I'm going to do the closer section, the neckline, the armhole, and the hem. So I'm going to stitch everything except the shoulder and the sides. I'm going to do the same except the shoulder and the sides and stitch everything. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do both front and back pieces, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Here I have the front section of the top. The armhole is stitched, the bust dart and the under bust dart is stitched, and this is the neckline, and we have the waist. So this is the front section. Here we have the back section, which is 2 pieces, the left and the right. The back opening, the neckline, the shoulder, and the hem is all been stitched. For the back section, I'm going to put a open and close fastener hook and eye right here, and also for the shoulders, I'm going to take the front and back section. I'm going to line the shoulders up, and I'm going to stitch the shoulders together. Also, I'm going to line the side section, which is under the underarm and the waist. I'm going to line that up and I'm going to stitch here. Also, I'm going to hem the front section like this. So the hem would be the hem would start the length where this ends. So wherever the back section waist ends is where you're gonna start the hem for the front. So I'm just gonna place a pin so I know where I would be sewing. So I'm gonna stitch both sides. And I'm going to stitch both shoulders. So both sides and shoulders, and I'm going to hem the front section. So I'm going to go ahead and also I'm going to put a hook and eye to the top. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Here I've joined the sides and I've attached the back to the front, and I've sewn the shoulders. So this is what the front of the top would look like, and this is what the back of the top is going to look like. And this is the finished product.